Ever pondered the magic behind automated systems? Perhaps you've marveled at the efficiency of a modern manufacturing line or the precision of a robotic arm. Well, that's all thanks to the marvels of mechatronics and control systems. My name is Alex, a seasoned expert in mechatronics and control systems. These fields are the invisible engines powering many aspects of our daily lives. From the simple operation of your home thermostat to the complex systems in self-driving cars. Consider a typical manufacturing line. The problem? How to increase production speed, reduce human error, and ensure consistent quality. The solution? An intricate dance of mechatronics and control systems. Mechatronics is a fusion of mechanics, electronics, computer science, and control systems engineering. At its heart are three key components: sensors, actuators, and feedback loops. Sensors are the eyes and ears of the system, detecting changes in the environment. They might measure temperature, pressure, light, or a myriad of other parameters. Actuators are the movers and shakers. They perform actions based on the information gathered by the sensors. This could be as simple as turning a light on or off, or as complex as controlling the movements of a robotic arm. Feedback loops are the system's brain, constantly monitoring and adjusting the output to ensure the desired outcome. They gather data from sensors, process it, and then direct the actuators accordingly. Take, for instance, a robotic arm on an assembly line. Its sensor might detect that it has picked up an object. The control system then directs the actuator to move the arm to a specified location. If the arm deviates from its path, the feedback loop corrects it, ensuring pinpoint accuracy. These systems are the foundation of modern technology. They are the unseen heroes behind our most impressive technological feats, from space exploration to medical robotics. In conclusion, mechatronics and control systems are vital components of our technological landscape. They increase efficiency, reduce errors, and enable innovations that were once the stuff of science fiction. Now it's over to you. How do you see mechatronics shaping our future? Don't forget to hit subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of technology. Stay curious and keep exploring.